Click on the subscribe button to get notified for our latest videos. How to suspend, unsuspend, or delete a user account in DirectAdmin. Log in to your reseller account of the DirectAdmin panel. From the Account Manager section, click on List Users. The list of all the user accounts will appear. Select the user account you wish to suspend, unsuspend, or delete. The options to suspend, unsuspend, and delete will appear above the list. Click on the respective button to suspend, unsuspend, or delete the selected account. Let's see what to do with them in order. To suspend user, click on Suspend. A pop-up window will appear. Select the reason for the suspension of the account from the drop-down list. Click on Suspend. To unsuspend user, a suspended account will have an exclamation mark. To unsuspend it, you have to click on Unsuspend button after selecting the account. Once you do, the system will unsuspend the account and display a corresponding message. To delete user, select the user account you want to delete and click on Delete. A confirmation window will appear asking for your approval. Click on Delete. The system will begin the deletion process, which will take a few seconds. It will then display a detailed summary of the account deletion on a pop-up window. That's how you can suspend, unsuspend, or delete a user account in DirectAdmin. Hopefully this video was helpful for you. If yes, then hit the like button. For any technical questions, you can contact us on this email ID. Do follow us on other social media platforms.